We are finally here. Everyone, welcome to Canada. This moment feels special to me.
Yes, David. The air feels different. It is cold, but it feels clean and fresh.
Papa, look around. This airport is so calm. People are not rushing.
Mama, I feel cold on my nose. Is this real Canadian weather?
Yes, Lily, this is real Canada. You wanted snow, remember?
I am so happy. I want to tell my friends I am in Canada.
First, we take our bags. Then the adventure really starts.
My heart is beating fast. New country, new feelings.
Look at the sky. It looks very clear.
The cold air makes me feel awake.
Papa, I can see snow on the road.
Yes, walk slowly. Snow can be slippery.
I already feel relaxed here.
Hello? Please take us to this hotel.
Look outside, kids. See the buildings and roads.
Everything looks neat and quiet.
Mama, even the cars look calm.
Life feels slower here. I like that.
Me too. Slow life feels peaceful. This hotel feels warm. My hands feel better now.
The staff is smiling. Everyone looks friendly.
Mama, the lights are so bright.
Papa, come here. Look outside the window.
I can see mountains far away. They look huge.
City and nature together. This place is beautiful.
Mama, snow is on the trees too.
Tomorrow, you will play in snow all day.
Papa, my shoes are going inside the snow.
Walk slowly. Snow is soft but tricky.
I feel like a child again.
This cold makes everything feel fresh.
I will make a big snowball.
Don't throw it at me.
I will try my best.
I want to make a snowman.
Let's make it together.
Yay! I'll make the head, and I'll make the body. I'll help with the arms.
Perfect. Let's build it.
I am tired, but my mind feels happy.
Tomorrow will be a big adventure day. I want to dream about snow and mountains.
Sleep well. Tomorrow is special.
Good morning. Look outside. Snow is shining.
I feel fresh and excited.
Can we go now? Please?
Yes. Today we go to Niagara Falls.
Mama, everything is white.
Nature shows its power here.
I can hear water from far away.
The sound feels strong.
Papa, it sounds like thunder.
That is Niagara Falls.
Wow, bigger than I imagined. I feel small in front of this.
Papa, the water is moving so fast.
This is nature's strength.
My heart is beating fast.
I am scared, but I like it.
Stay close together. Everyone wear jackets.
I feel excited and nervous.
This is real adventure.
Please hold my hand tightly.
Water is coming everywhere! My face is cold, but I am happy.
This moment will stay forever.
My clothes are wet, but my heart feels warm.
I feel alive. Can we do it again?
One adventure is enough for today.
My legs hurt, but I don't want to stop.
Pain means effort and growth.
Look at the lake. It looks like glass.
It feels like a fairy world. Mama, I see a deer.
Stay quiet.
This is nature's gift.
This is better than games. This fire feels warm and safe.
Sitting here makes me forget stress.
Here, I feel free. I feel happy and safe.
At home, I work too much. We all run every day.
I don't want to leave this place.
Memories will stay forever.
Canada gave us peace and adventure.
Promise we will come again.
I promise we will try.